Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power the laptop and log in, then make sure the physical Wi-Fi switch or the FN key combo is set to on so the radio can work. Once done, open the system tray at the lower right or press Windows key plus A to reveal the quick network panel. You need the adapter active before any icon appears. That's why you toggle hardware first. If you skip this, the symbol won't show. Make sure Wi-Fi LED or status indicator is lit, then continue. Once the adapter is active, click the tray up arrow to reveal hidden icons. The Wi-Fi symbol often hides there. If it's not visible, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi to confirm the service is enabled and view available networks. This displays the symbol in context. If you still don't see it, open Device Manager and expand Network Adapters to confirm the wireless driver is present and enabled. Make sure drivers aren't disabled. Enabling in Device Manager. Now select your network and enter the password to connect. Once connected, the Wi-Fi symbol will change to show signal strength. This confirms the link layer is up. Make sure to test internet access by opening a web page or running a quick ping to 8. If connection succeeds but icon still misbehaves, restart the WLAN Auto Config service or reinstall the wireless driver. That resolves most hidden icon issues. Finally, reboot the laptop if necessary. Restarts clear hung services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.